What are environmental changes? Okay. Note down short points in your books. That's why you can learn long question answers easily. Our chapter name is environmental changes. There is a change. Change means yes. So change in where there will be change in temperature, air, moisture due to what? Global warming. Due to what? Global warming. So what is environmental changes? Changes in temperature. Just now we are having what? Temperature is high. Yes? Air. If you will go out, you will be getting hot air. Yes? Then moisture. Moisture means what? Page. Yes. We tell it uklat. બહુ ઉકળાટ થાય. That way you speak, no? Yes, you are speaking the words. So due to what? Global warming. Due to global warming. What is global warming? No. Global warming means due to the destruction of forest and that all, the air, the heat air will be increased. That is increasing. Yeah? So global warming occurs. Due to that we are getting earthquake. Yes? Then volcanic eruption starts. Yes? So it means global warming. Okay? If you will keep silence, then I can listen. Yes. Moisturization, bathe. वो आता ही है बेटा. Because it is one part of the climate, changes of climate and changes of environment. After rainfall, just now you see on the road, you can see moisturization. Yes? Some say yes, but obvious. In rooms also you can see on the walls. So it will be harming. It will be change. There will be change in environment. Yes? Understood? Yes, your question? No. So what is environmental changes? Changes in temperature, air, moisture due to global warming is known as environmental changes. You know what is temperature? Yes? Air also you are knowing, and moisturization you are knowing, and global warming also you are knowing. Okay. So in that, very first line you are having atmosphere. Have you studied chapter number 2, atmosphere? So all the four sides is covered with what? Atmosphere. Atmosphere means different gases. Just now in room there will be no oxygen, you are not getting sufficient oxygen. Then you can survive? No. So oxygen is one type of atmosphere because it is a gas. What? Yes. Changes means continuous change in temperature, air and moisture. Just now I am talking about atmosphere. It is a layer which you have studied. It is not related to the environment. Atmosphere is related to environment, but it is all four spheres. Atmosphere, biosphere. That I have explained you in chapter number 2 in online. Differences. If you were present in lecture, no. Then how can you understand, beta? Clear difference? Clear? What's your name? Moon. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now, atmosphere. Next is what is weather and what is climate. Okay. Weather and climate, there is a difference. You tell it climate and weather same. No, that are not same. Weather means particular time changing. Particular changes in temperature, air or wind, and rain, and moisturization. At a particular time. Just now, after 1 hour, there will be change in weather. Yes. So it means weather. Average every 3 months, that is climate. Okay. But this is weather means particular time. You are getting Google weather. Yes. Yes. 29 degrees Celsius and that all. Forecast you are getting. So it is a weather. What is weather? Clear? Clear what is weather? I can ask you. Yes. This is particular time is very important for weather. Okay? Clear? Clear? Next is climate. If you will be laughing this silly joke, then your class will be disturbed. Next is climate. What is climate? Average. Average temperature. Average period of temperature, air, rain, moisture over more than 35 years. Over more than 35 years is known as climate. So what is climate? It means seasons. We are having 3 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon. Yes? Yes. Okay. So every 3 months or 4 months it is changing. So it is the average temperature. Okay, so this much temperature we will be getting. The climate will be deciding. Yes? Air and rain. Moisturization. For how many years? More than 35 years is known as climate, and weather at a particular time. Weather at a particular time, climate at over more than 35 years. Clear? Clear beta? Sahil? Okay, who will read? Yes, Idris. Not from very first, from atmosphere you have to start. Okay, very one thing I forgot to explain you. If there will be no air on the earth, then you will be surviving? No. So it is atmosphere because air is surrounded by all the sides. Clear? Repeat again from there. Okay, underline this line. What is atmosphere? Next. Yes, atmosphere is getting polluted due to human activities because industries, factories, vehicles we are using. Yes, we are throwing waste here and there. We are not listening to anyone. When teacher is teaching in the class, then it is one type of noise pollution. Next. Oi! Next. Okay, what is environmental changes? Underline. The change in direction of wind, not pura paragraph, is known as environmental changes. Next. Yes, right. Okay, at a particular time. Very important. Underline what is weather. Not with pen. Use pencil. Yes, in news also, at last you are getting this much weather in this area, this much degree Celsius. Yes, it is a weather because at a particular time you are getting weather. Okay, who is giving you weather? Indian Meteorological Department will be giving us how much degree it is there. It is just for your knowledge. Okay. What is climate? So how many years? Over more than 35 years, average temperature, air, rain and moisture will be changing is known as climate. Get it? Climate. Okay. Now next, you will be having in this your book it is not given climatic changes, changes in season. I will be explaining you just for your knowledge. In 9th standard, again 16th chapter you will be having. Okay. For your better understanding climate, I will be teaching you. Okay. So say Earth is tilted. Tilted at which degree? 23.5 degree and having an angle of 66.5 degree. Okay. So over here there is Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. TC means Cancer, EQ means Equator, TCM means Capricorn. Tropic of Got it? Okay. Now, where is our India located? On the northern hemisphere. India is located on the northern hemisphere. So, very important thing. When we will be having summer and when we will be having winter season. When, or sorry, sun rays. When sun rays are directly falling on Tropic of Cancer. Yes, when sun rays are directly falling on Tropic of Cancer, then there will be summer. Barabar? Summer. And when rays are directly, slanting rays are falling on Tropic of Capricorn. Slanting rays are falling on Tropic of Capricorn. Then there will be winter. Clear? When sun rays are directly falling over here on, that is, we take in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay? When sun rays are directly falling on Tropic of Cancer, then over here there will be summer and over here it will be winter because here directly sun rays, then here will be slanting rays. Yes? Clear? So how changes is there in season, you understood? Now I will be giving you different dates with example. Clear? Clear all the boys? Now we will be taking one example. Yes, you make noise. Now I will be taking one example of 22nd December and 21st June. Okay, now over here when our India is in northern hemisphere. This we are talking of India only, okay, northern hemisphere. Over here when sun rays are falling on Tropic of Capricorn, sorry, slanting sun rays. And over here we take it southern hemisphere. Sun rays are in Tropic of Cancer. So here it is summer, yes? Here it is winter. That's why in December we are feeling winter. We are having which season? Winter season. When we take it example on 21st June. Sun rays are directly falling on Tropic of Cancer. Clear? That's why we are having summer season. And slanting rays are falling here. in December. That's why winter. Year directly sunrise. That's why 21st June we are having summer season. Clear? Clear, beta? All the things clear?
Yes.
Okay? So this is a change in season this way. How we are getting season.